Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you on how to set up Account Center on Facebook on your PC or mobile. So let's get started. Setting up Account Center on Facebook is fast and simple. Begin by tapping the menu, usually represented by three lines located in the top or bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings. From there, navigate to Account Center. If not set up, you'll see an option like Set up Account Center or Add Accounts. Click on the profile that pops up, then click Continue, and follow the prompts to finish the setups. Now, let's walk through the process on a mobile device. First, you have to open the Facebook app and tap the menu represented by three lines. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings. Look for Account Center. If not set up, you'll see the option like Set up Account Center or Add Account. Click on your profile, and to add an account, tap Add Account. A list of accounts will appear. Select the one you want to add. Click Continue for more information if needed. Finally, click Yes. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to set up an account center on Facebook, whether you're using a PC or mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.